that I was.
You did not understand that one when I said yesterday. Okay, I'll tell you. 1 second.
Oh, sorry, I was in the WhatsApp group.
Oh, not here. Okay, which one? 982?
982.
Okay. 982, this question. Okay. 982, the question number,
This question number 8,
not
sir, in
question
the sample
number.
paper.
This is the one which you said, and I sent it to you also. Okay. This one. Okay, I'll take this one. I'll show you. See, that's a good question.
Because, like, sir, first I'm like proving the congruency where what's there. Like, AB is, I forgot the size, but I think AB was equal to BD.
Now, this is the question. No, this is the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll tell you. Listen, here, what is given? AB is equal to DB. AB and DB are equal, and then AC and DC are equal. So, what is ABCD? ABDC is a kite. ABDC is a kite because two
Uh,
pairs of consecutive adjacent sides are equal. So, it's a kite. One more thing, what is given here is, can you mute it? Somebody, the mic is on.
കുറവല്ലാണ് ബി
Navneet,
See, angle ABC is equal to 29 degree. Angle ACB is equal to y plus 15. Okay. And then angle DBC is equal to 2x minus 4. And angle DCB is equal to 63. So what do you have to do? So many properties of kite you have studied. Adjacent sides are two consecutive pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Then diagonals bisect, no, diagonals are perpendicular to each other. And also one will bisect the other. And then one pair of opposite sides are equal. That's also one of the properties of kite. One pairs of opposite side means here 2x minus 4 plus 29 is equal to y plus 15 plus 63. They're equal. Then 2x plus 25 is equal to y plus 68, 78. So you will get here 2x minus y is equal
YouTube videos
to
coming here.
78 minus 25.
क्या दोनों ऑन है
Ditanshu, tell them all to mute the mic. 2x minus y is equal to 353. This is the equation. But
वही
if
क्या
you,
कर रहे
want,
हैं?
if you want to find out x and y, you need a pair of linear equation. So what you have to do, you will substitute here. Look, when you substitute, for example, 2x is 33 minus 48. You are getting a negative number, not a solution. 58 minus 3. That is also a negative number. Okay. Here, if you take 2 into 33 is 66. 67 minus 14. You get the answer 53, and that's the solution.
Sir, but then like one doubt, doesn't the property of like opposite angles being one pair of opposite angles being equal
Opposite
only up
angle only in the same triangle.
no like on,
In
does
the
it only
same,
up doesn't it
only
only
in the
apply to
same triangle,
the
and this is not equal. These two are not equal to say that y plus 15 is 29. AB and AC must be equal. They are not equal.
But can't we use angle ABC is equal to DBC?
Yes, sir.
Angle ABC is equal to DBC only if BC is the bisector. It is not the bisector.
So, but it's congruent,
Sir, but we
right?
proved it
sir
AB
congruent
we
plus
proved its congruency,
SSS
sir.
congruency.
by SSS.
Congruent, no, but when you see congruent means this is equal to this, you said, this is equal to, and this is common. But that solution doesn't, that they shouldn't have given this one. But because if you substitute, okay, I agree. Then you are saying which one is equal? Tell me.
Angle ABC is equal to DBC.
Angle
So
ABC is which
ABC
one?
29
29, correct?
ABC is equal to
equal to
DBC.
2x
29.
minus 4.
Y equal to y plus 15, correct?
No,
Y
sir,
equal
2x
to
No,
minus 4.
sir.
No,
No,
sir,
sir.
2x
No,
minus
sir,
I
4.
said
2x
2x
minus
No,
4,
minus
sir.
4.
sir.
29
it-
is equal to 2x minus 4.
29 is equal
That's
to
what we're
2x
saying.
minus 4.
29 is equal to?
2x minus
Okay.
4.
2x minus
You
4.
you just check 29 is equal to 2x
2x minus
minus
4.
4, correct? So
Yes, sir.
that you can take. Okay, no problem. 29 plus 4, 33. You can take that. But then y is coming how much? X is coming 16.5, which is not a 16.5. You take that. And then y is what? X is equal to 16.5. Here, actually, they have used this one. Opposite angles of a kite are one pair of opposite angles are equal. Here 6 is equal to 16.5. Then what will you do? You'll take the other one. What is that?
Finish, sir.
Y plus 15 equals to 63.
Y plus
Plus
15 is equal to 63. Y is equal to 63 minus 15, 48.
48.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
yes,
But
sir.
what they have used is because you got this is also correct in that way. Because it is bisecting, you proved congruency. But opposite angles will not satisfy. Then that means it need not be this angle. It can be this angle. You can say that also. But this is also a solution. And that what they have taken is, for that, these things are not required. AB is equal. But again, if AB and CD are not equal, then it will not be a kite. So here you got this answer because they use this property. Opposite angles of a kite are equal. A pair of opposite angles are equal. They use that property. But this is also correct.
Sir,
Can I say
quick
something?
doubt.
Mm.
Doesn't the property of opposite angles only apply to the sides where like the non-equal sides meet?
Yes, that's why I want to ask, sir. So AB and DB are the equal sides. So the unequal sides, the angles between the unequal sides are equal. So it should be angle BAC and angle BDC, which should be equal, right?
They
Yes,
are
sir.
unequal sides. No, this one is unequal.
No, sir.
No, sir. Those two sides are equal.
Sir, AB and
AB and
DB are
Those two
equal.
BC
sides
are
are
No,
equal.
equal.
AC is equal to
Opposite
My,
sides.
DBC.
my answer, this is what you say, this congruency is correct. But the question is, Deeptanshu was telling in that book, it is written, this is the answer. For that, only possibility is this one. Opposite angles of a kite are equal. But you are
But that's
telling
not.
opposite angles of unequal sides are equal. Correct?
Yes, sir. So
Yes,
it
sir.
should be
Angle
BAC
between
Sir,
and
it's
the
BDC.
wait.
equal side. That means angle A and angle D are equal.
Yes, sir. So how is ABC
Yeah.
and
That is so. No, actually, this is the correct answer, but he was telling they marked this as the answer. Their only possibility is they used opposite angles are equal and substituted the values. And see, thereby, there they want to know two things. One is find a solution. They compared the two chapters together. One is this one, and the other one is in linear equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Find two solution. So what all they will give you? So options as 6, 1, 7, say minus 3, okay, 6 minus 1. Then you will be substituting 6 plus 1, no. 7 minus 3, no. 6 minus 1 solution. That actually, that's that. I thought this would be like that. They clubbed two chapters. But you can take this as the answer.
So, sir, like if such a question comes in the exam, like
That this you have taken from some guide.
No, sir, this is from the sample paper.
Oh,
Sample
sample
paper.
paper. Which sample paper?
Your sample paper.
Oh, okay, okay. So we will see. I will tell you that. Let me check. Now tell me the next one. You were asking some other doubt
Sir,
as well.
sir, so what is the
Yeah.
Sir, I
sample?
sent you a
I will
doubt
tell
on
you. I will
WhatsApp.
tell you. It is marked
Uh,
like that. Okay, I will check. I'll just check
Yes,
one more time.
yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Now tell me next one. What is
This
that?
one, sir. Uh, in the
Can you
WhatsApp
read the
group.
question?
Sir, I sent you the WhatsApp.
एक second, sir. If x square plus 1 by x squared is equal to 7,
Ah,
find the value of x cubed plus 1 by x cubed.
okay. That x cube plus 1 by x cube. So here, this is also from sample paper.
It's from a different sample paper, sir.
Okay, no problem. This one, 7 square, correct? So
Yeah.
x
No, sir.
square.
It just says x plus 1 by x squared is equal to 7.
Okay. So x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, okay, that is x plus 1 by x the whole square, correct? Which is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. So x plus 1 by x is equal to square root of 9. X plus 1 by x can be equal to plus or minus 3. Okay. Now, I'll take plus value. Now, x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x plus 1 by x. That also identity you don't have to study by heart. One identity you remember. Okay. X plus 1 by x, the whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. So what is x plus 1 by x the whole cube? 3 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into 3. 27 minus 9 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. That is 18 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. Is that clear to you?
Yeah, okay, yes, sir. Sir, could we also get the answer by
Sir,
like just replacing the just
You can
substituting the
replace,
value?
or if you know the formula,
sir,
you can directly write x cube plus 1 by x cube. It's not formula, in fact, it is just transposing of this one. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x plus 1 by x the whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x. So you will
sir,
directly get, no need to write the formula and transpose. You can transpose the formula that from the identity itself, you transpose and apply.
sir,
Yes,
Yeah.
I
sir.
have a doubt.
Oh.
Can you go check the 911 group chat
1
for
minute.
Yes,
This you
maths?
write down. This you write down. Those who have not
writing,
written,
sir.
just write it down fast.
Writing, sir.
So,
Sir, can you just write
Yeah.
the identity, the x plus y whole cube identity?
X plus y whole cube is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Or you can write x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. I'll write down
3x,
here.
3xy into x plus y.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
I will write down. You can write it in two different ways.
I have a doubt.
Yeah. X plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y.
Sir,
Oh,
sir, from the textbook question, I have one doubt. Like, can
yeah,
I ask
you ask me.
after this
First,
thing?
no. First, clear one by one. Don't ask doubts together. First, you finish writing this one, then I will erase it, and then we will go to the next question.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, is it x cube plus 1 by x cube
Uh,
plus 3 into x into 1 by x into brackets
X
x
plus
plus
1
1 by
by.
7.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
So,
Yeah. Tell me, this is done. I can erase it.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
Now, what is
Sir,
the
sir,
doubt?
just a second, sir, just a second.
Just a minute.
so
Ah.
this is not regarding the question, but I have a doubt in the sample paper 29 question.
Can you? I don't have sample paper here. Can you?
Yes, sir. You can check the 9M1 math.
It is there? Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
tell me. 9A1 math. 1 second. This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. See here. This is the question. See, x by y x by y plus y by x is equal to -1, correct? Who asked this question?
So me,
Devansh.
Devan. Yes.
Devansh, tell me what is the denominator?
What's up?
Denominator,
Y and X.
xy. Numerator,
X plus Y.
no. Cross
Sir, can I
multiply,
tell?
X square.
plus
Plus Y square.
is equal to -1. Then x square plus y square is equal to what?
X minus 1 multiplied by XY.
That is minus xy. Bring it to
Yeah.
this side. Bring it to this side.
This
Minus
side.
xy will come this side.
Yeah, positive. So it will
Positive
be
xy plus y
XY.
square. What is remaining there?
Wait, what
What is
is?
remaining there? Just come already. Now, what is there?
Oh, so I don't know. I can't
You
tell.
don't know what xy has come this side. So you are the only boy sitting in the class. Now, if somebody asks me who is in 9A1, I will say Devanshu. Now Devanshu has gone. So what is remaining? Or who is remaining in the class?
No one. So it will be
Zero.
0.
So here, how much? What is
0.
remaining here?
0.
0. So now you take x cube minus y cube. It's an identity,
Yes, sir.
which is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, that will be x minus y into what is x square plus xy plus y square? You already got it.
Yes, sir. I think it is
What is
Zero.
that? 0.
0.
So
Sorry,
x
0.
minus y into 0. What is the answer?
0.
0. Now you understood?
Oh, yes,
Sir,
sir.
can I write that down?
You can write it fast. Those who have not written, write it fast.
Sir, I didn't understand like why there is zero after like x square plus xy plus y square equals 0. That I didn't understand.
X square plus y square is equal to what?
0. Then
No,
like
x
why
square
there is
plus y
0? I
square is
understand.
not equal to 0. It is equal to what?
It is equal to like we
It is
can say
already
any.
there on
It
the
can
board.
be
I'm
any
just
number.
telling you to read it out. X square plus y square is equal to what? It is on
Minus
zero.
xy.
Minus xy has come this side. So what is remaining there?
Yes.
Huh?
Oh, it's 0. It's
X
0.
square plus y square is equal to minus xy. Okay? Equal to minus xy. Now minus xy is coming this side.
Okay.
Okay? Plus y square. Correct? That. Now, so that is equal to 0 because nothing is remaining there. So that I substituted here and I
Okay,
got
sir.
0. Okay. Is that
Okay, sir.
clear?
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, could you
Now,
check class 982? I have
982.
put up. Yes, sir.
Sir, wait, I'm still writing.
Sir, I
Okay.
sent you the doubts in your WhatsApp, so can you check?
I want in class, then only I can 9A1, 9A2, 9A3. Then for in the class you put, then I will check, okay? Because I cannot scroll down. It takes a lot of time. Now,
Sir, okay.
okay, can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now listen. This is 9A2.
982.
Yes, sir, 982.
This one.
Sir, in triangle
This one.
PQR.
Angle
PQR.
PQR question, so that's Tokyo's.
See, in triangle PQR, so I will write PQR here. Okay, this is PQR. The bisector of P meet QR at T. Okay. This is the bisector. Bisector means these two angles are equal. I will mark it as 1 and 1. Okay, at T. Side QR is produced to S. So I will produce it to S. Okay, produce it to X. Now, PQR, QR is produced to point at. Prove that PQR plus PRS is equal to twice PTR. We have to prove this. I will take as 3, 2, 4. Okay.
Sir, angle
One
243.
second. Let me come 1 minute. Wait. We have to prove this is PQR. PT is the bisector. Bisector of P. T bisector of PT. Okay. Now we have to prove that angle PQR. Where is PQR? That is angle 2. Plus angle PRS. That is angle 3. Is equal to twice angle PTR. This is what you have to prove. Now I will start with 3. Angle 3 is equal to twice angle 1 plus angle 2 because exterior angle property. It is exterior angle property. Twice angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 3. Now, angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. That is also exterior angle property. Okay. Now I'm going to take twice angle 4. I'm multiplying throughout by 2. You will get twice angle 1 plus twice angle 2. I multiplied throughout by 2. But that is not what I want. So I will split it as twice angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 2. 2 times angle 2 can be written as angle 2 plus angle 2. And this I know twice angle 1 is angle 3 plus angle 2. Now I will write twice angle PTR is equal to angle 3 is which one? Angle PRS plus angle 2 is angle PQR. That's what I want to prove. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can write that. It's a good question. Whatever you write on the board, you just write. The other question, I will check why the answer has come like that. Deeptanshu,
Yes, sir.
no, you were asking me why the answer is given like that. So I thought I didn't know that it was. So I was just checking what is the other possibility. Then the only possibility which I found was opposite angles are equal and then substitute. But what you wrote in the answer paper, you sent your doubt in this way. So that was, I understood. Congruency you proved, you got 2. So it is purely on the basis of means that you took like that. That is
Yes,
correct.
sir.
But the possibility is this one, but that possibility also ruled out because the opposite angle is only one pair, and those two angles must be between the two unequal sides.
Yes, sir. I chose the congruency method because like that was the
Congruency is
safest
the
method.
correct. That is
That
the
was the
most that is the most that is the correct one, and that solution is also there. But you told me the solution marked was this one.
yes, sir.
Okay. So I thought in that way. So they must have thought like this, opposite angles are equal, but opposite angle must be the angle between two unequal sides. Okay. Now
Yes,
continue.
sir.
We'll see that. So you can do the other way. What you
So,
did.
so
Okay,
what
sir.
is the correct answer for that?
That one he said, you said no, y is equal to, what is that? Y is equal
Y
to
is equal to, I think it was
14 and 13.
16 and x is equal to 16, y is equal to
Okay,
48. No, x is equal to 16.5.
okay. Yes. Okay, this you wrote, finished? Have you completed
Um,
this one?
no, sir, still writing.
Just
Still writing, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt
Yeah.
related from the textbook. Okay, it's
Tell
like
me.
25 a square minus 35a plus 12. Like we need to factorize this thing.
This one is done. Can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is that? 25?
25a square minus
25 a
35
square, 35.
minus, no, 25. It was 25.
25 a square,
Minus
yeah,
35a,
35.
yeah, 35a plus 12.
So
We
here
need to
the product,
factorize this thing.
here the product must be 300. 12 into 25. 12 5s are 60, 12 to 24 plus. And the sum should be 35. So we will prime factorize it to get the numbers. It is 2, 75. It is 3, 25, 5 and 5. Okay, 2 150, 275, 325. From here you have to get. So it is, you try different options, 2 and this,
15 and
4 and
20.
this, 4 and 75. All product will be, but the sum will not be. Sum I got this one, 20 and 15, both negative. So 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. This is 5a, 5a minus 4. I want 5a minus 4 here as well. So what is outside? Pranil, tell me what is outside.
Sir, outside it will be minus. It would be 1, like plus
From
1.
here, I took 5a minus 4 outside, inside. So what will be
Oh,
outside?
it's minus 1. It's minus 1. It's minus 1.
Minus 1 into 5 is not minus 15.
Wait, minus
So
3,
it's
sir.
3.
Sorry.
Minus 3. So you got 5a minus 3 and 5a minus 4. These are the factors. You can write down.
Sir, what the product is 300 and the sum is?
Product, you have splitting the middle term means you have to find out two numbers, the product of which are 25 into 12, that is 300, and the sum of those two must be minus 35. For that, it's better you prime factorize. Then when you prime factorize, you get various options. So you can try 2 into 150, product is same, 4 into 75, product is same, 12 into 25, product same, but sum is not. Then if you're not getting in that way, take from the middle. 3 into 5 is 15, 4 into 5 is 20. So 20 and 15, it is 35. And now you split the middle term. That's why it's called splitting the middle term. 35 can be written as minus 20 minus 15. Then take common factor between the first two, common factor between the next two. But bear in mind, in the bracket, we should have a common number. So that's 5a minus 3. That is one of the factors, and the other one will be 5a minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Answer is factor theorem coming.
This one.
Here, some more questions they asked yesterday. I think I got it from here. See, but some more questions. 2y cube plus y square. Here and all, when you go to the question, immediately you must be able to do this, because here there is a common factor y square. It is 2y. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, this is minus 1. Okay, that is somebody asked this. Y square, 2y plus 1. I want 2y plus 1 here as well. So what will you take outside? Anybody? Fast.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
1.
So I
Minus
got
1.
y square minus 1 into 2y plus 3. Now split this one. What will you do? Y square minus 1.
Y
How
plus
will you
1
split?
into y minus 1.
Y plus
Y square
1
minus 1 plus
into y minus 1 into 2y plus 3. Okay. What is the degree of this polynomial? The highest power is the degree.
3.
3. There must be 3 zeros or 3 factors. 3 factors. The maximum number of zeros will be the degree of the polynomial. If degree is 3, it can have maximum 3 zeros, not more than 3. Okay, maximum at most 3 zeros. If degree is 2, at most 2 zeros. Understood? If degree is 4, at most 4 zeros. So here degree 3, so 3 zeros or 3 factors.
Sir,
You
we
can
can
write
do,
it. And then
sir,
this is a good question. This is a textbook question. Someone asked now. Here.
so for this question,
Yeah.
we can do long
So
division,
can you
right?
check the WhatsApp?
Why long division? Long division you can do. That is long itself. You can do long division.
Because, sir, if you're not sure about your answer, you can like confirm with long division, right?
Then no, if that is okay, but this is factorize means not long division. Okay, it is, you can do it in that way. Suppose if you are not getting, okay, I will tell you. If
We
it
can do
is
Arabic method as well, sir.
Arabic method also you can do that. That also you can do. Long division also you can do. See, understood? Long division is, you will write it as, but always go for easy method. Time is very important. P of y is equal to 2y cube plus y minus 2y minus 1. You try P of 1 or P of minus 1. P of 1 you can try. 2 into 1 cube plus 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 1. That is 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. Cancel 2 and minus 1, 1 and minus 1 equal to 0. y minus 1 is a factor. Then you have to go for long division. Okay? 2y cube plus y minus 2y minus 1 divided by y plus 1 divided by
So
y
y
minus
minus 1.
y
So y
minus
minus
1.
1.
So it is 2y square. First term is 2y cube. Divide by 2y square. Multiply 2y cube minus, this is y square, okay? Minus 2y square. Change the sign. You're subtracting it. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Now add it. 3, this is y square. 3y square minus 2y minus 1 plus 3y. 3y square minus 3y. Change the sign. Plus. Okay? You are getting here y minus 1 plus 1. Y minus 1, 0. So you got, it is y square, y minus 1 you got, y minus 1 into 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Okay, split the middle term, y minus 1. This is product should be 2, sum should be 3. So you can take it as 2y, y plus 1. Okay. Then you will get y minus 1 into, okay, 2y into y plus 1 plus 1 into y plus 1. So final answer y minus 1 into y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. Y minus 1, y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. That is the answer. See, this in 3 steps, this is. So always go for easy method, especially
Okay, sir.
multiple choice questions and all. Most of the questions now it will be shifted to MCQs where you have to find out the answer very quickly and write the answer. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So, sir,
And sir,
long division is only used when
No,
like you have no other way, right?
No, you can use long division. No doubt about it. You can use it. Sometimes the same question, they may change. Find the factors using long division. Then the only one method, you have to do it. But if
Yes,
they
sir, but
are factorize, then any method you can use, go for the easiest way.
yes.
Sir,
sir,
can you
and one
explain the
last.
long division method again? Because
Only
I didn't
I
understand.
explained just now. That is the same
Sir,
thing. Long
but
division.
I just the long division method, not the
This is the long
fact
division method.
factor
This is just
finding.
factorization, any method. Okay.
And sir, one last question from me.
Ah.
The equation 2x plus y is equal to 4 as a unique solution if
Infinity.
x.
That's what you have to do, listen. You just take
No,
two.
it's not like that. They are asking will that x and y be rational number, real number, natural number, or positive real number? That's what they are asking us.
What? 2x plus?
2x plus y equals 4 has a unique
Equal to what?
solution if x
Equal to what? 2x plus y equals?
4,
4.
and they're telling that if if x and y are rational number or real number or natural number or positive real number. They are asking like that.
No,
So what
that,
should I write?
for example, 2 into 1 plus 2. That is 4. Here, x is, as you say, real, positive real number. Suppose if I
Yeah.
say, 1 minute, 2 plus root 2, it is irrational. And 2 minus root 2, it is also irrational. So, this is 4. Sum is correct. But x and y are irrational. So, you can write real numbers.
Real numbers. Sir, can't I write rational numbers? Like sometimes.
Because it can be that in this case, both are positive integers. Both are irrational numbers. But when you add them, you got a rational number. So, so you can write real numbers. Because possibility you explore. You put in place of that. If you have doubt, you put in place of that some numbers and see what is your solution. Are you getting that? Yes, I am getting. What are the numbers? In this case, it is integers, positive integers. Here, 2 plus root 2 is irrational. 2 minus root 2 is also irrational. But when you add root 2 and minus root 2 are getting cancelled, you get 2 plus 2, 4. Okay?
Okay.
Now, what is the other one? Any other doubt? If somebody, anyone
can you
put any
check?
doubt?
Can you check
Or I
92?
will give you.
Send
Huh?
in the group.
Sir, can you check
92.
92 WhatsApp group?
I said 92
Okay,
WhatsApp. Can you
I
check the
will
group?
check. Nine, 8, 2.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you check the most recent question regarding the statistics?
This
Yes.
one, not this one.
Sir, I
Right
sent you a
side.
question before, sir. I sent a question before. Can you check?
This one, this
No,
one.
sir.
No,
This
sir.
A
the
little
graph
bit
one,
before
sir.
that.
What is your doubt in this?
Sir, are we supposed to draw a kink because there's
No,
unequal?
there is kink will come only if there is anything missing. For example, see, suppose if you are writing, for example, I'll tell you 1 minute. See, kink will come. Suppose this is your, look, normally 10, 20, 30. Here nothing is missing. Here nothing is missing. No kink is needed here. But sometimes what will happen, these numbers will not be there. Which one? These numbers will not be there. These numbers, because we don't want it on graph. Your values start from, say, 200, 210. Understood? Where 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, up to 192, 190, they are missing. Put a kink.
Okay, sir. But sir,
Here nothing is missing.
Sir,
Here,
but we miss 1 to 9 when there is
here
10.
nothing is missing. Here,
sir, but,
first
sir,
listen.
okay.
First listen. Here, class is 6. Class size is 6. Class size is here also 3.5 minus 2.5. It is 6. Nothing is missing there. No kink. Kink is here because we start from 0. We cannot change at all. Origin is 0. Then what happened? All these numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, up to 190 are missing. So you have to put a kink. Suppose if you are not missing anything, for example, you start from, see, you start from here and you put, say, you are not writing 0 here. You wrote, look here, minus 10. This is minus 10. Then 10, 20. Nothing is missing, no kink.
Yes, sir, I
Understood?
understood that. But sir, between minus 2.5 and 3.5, there's a gap of 6, but it's that's then 2 centimeters. But in the scale, we took on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 6 units.
It is 6 because 1 centimeter, it is not 1. It is not 2 centimeter. You have to take like this. I will show you. Look, you have to take like this. 1 minute, I'll show. See, your graph is like this. Okay. This is half. This is 1, 1.5, 2. This is half. This is minus 1. Here you are taking 2.5, negative 2.5. Here you are taking 3.5. Here you are taking 9.5. So this is 1 centimeter 6. Here 1 centimeter 6. Everywhere 6 only. Understood? So you have to take here. You see here. You should have marked negative 2.5 here. Understood? This is
Okay.
3.5. This is 9.5. This is 15.5. This is 21.5, like that. So 1 unit is this one. 0.5 to 1.5 is 1 unit. That is 6. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir, I sent my doubt on
Sir.
grade 92 group, sir. Can you
1
check?
minute.
It's before
Yeah.
question, before this.
I will take.
Sir,
1 minute.
so can you just show how to plot the frequency polygon again?
Where is that? WhatsApp has gone, Divanshu? This one?
Sir, you are on WhatsApp, sir. It's basically in the same group, but
982 WhatsApp group.
No, but I'm asking where is WhatsApp here? I can't find WhatsApp now.
Sir,
It is
you are
closed.
pressing Alt tab, sir.
Alt what?
Alt tab.
What?
Alt tab, sir.
Alt and tab.
Alt tab
Yes,
hold.
sir.
Alt tab and just press Alt
Is that?
tab and hold Alt.
Oh, sir, he
Okay.
uses WhatsApp on Google.
Search at
Oh,
WhatsApp.
I
That's
will
a
write
You
Google
one.
already
account.
I
have
don't
the
know.
window open. Just
1 minute. Let me check.
sir, just do Alt tab and then keep holding Alt.
He's using WhatsApp web
I
on the
will. I will.
browser.
I will
Yeah,
open
but
this.
the window is
1
open.
minute. Look, 1 minute. 1 minute. It will come fast. Meanwhile, I will just check from my mobile. Okay. Which one? 982. Yeah. Which one?
yes, sir.
98?
982.
This one. This
The
one.
above,
Yes,
sir. Above.
This one.
above, sir. Above the graph questions.
This one, no?
No, sir.
Before, sir. Before.
I sent a dot replying to Dhruv, sir.
Okay,
Now
this is
it's
also a question which you asked. Somebody asked this one.
no, that was me, sir.
Okay, anyone.
Sir, let's do Dhruv's first because he
Okay,
sent
1 minute.
first.
Huh?
Sir, is number
Let's,
line coming?
Well, don't ask what is coming. You ask whether you have any doubt. I don't know what will come. Okay.
No, like, is it there for the
So then
exam in
who
portion?
prepared the
Don't ask
paper?
anything like that. Okay, listen. Okay, everything will come. So you have to expect everything. Don't ask what is coming. But you ask me your doubt. This one someone asked. You know this? You don't want me to explain this one, you're telling? Okay,
no,
1 second.
sir, I'm saying like explain this later after Dhruv's question.
Sir, can you
No
explain
problem.
my
Since
question,
I have
sir?
taken this one, I will
Okay, sir.
explain this first. Look,
Okay, sir.
Okay,
here
sir.
ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. And AB parallel CD and AD parallel AD is equal to BC. Now you have drawn CE parallel. So what did you get? Here A is parallel to DC and AD parallel. Look, it is very important question. AE parallel DC, AD parallel EC. Therefore, AECD is a parallelogram. Okay? Now, parallelogram. Therefore, AD is equal to, before that, I want to ask you one doubt. Okay? Just a minute. You just tell me. Otherwise, I will forget that. 1 minute. Huh? I want to ask you a doubt. Why this is coming?
Yes, sir.
This one. Look. This one, suppose this, I want to, look here, can you see the screen? Have you seen this real numbers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because now 10th standard, they will have exams soon. Okay, when I explain from the textbook, board exams are coming up. So I want to say that this is important, but how will I mark, as I write on the screen, how will I write in this textbook? You all,
Sir, can you
Steve,
repeat what you asked?
Bill
Can
Gates
you?
and all other. No, this is textbook, 10th standard textbook. Okay. Now they will be having board exam soon. So before that, when we revise, I just want to tell them this is important. You have to, from the board examination point of view, this is important. But this I can write here also, no? But Zoom, it will come like that. Okay, Zoom, it will be there. This annotation is not possible in Google Meet. This I can do, isn't it?
No, sir, it's not there.
In
Annotation is
Google,
not possible. Not
not
possible,
possible.
sir.
Possible
Only
in
in
Google
Zoom it
Meet.
is possible.
Yes, only in
Yeah.
Zoom.
Oh, okay. So suppose if Zoom is not there, I will not be able to write anything on this.
Yes, sir.
I don't think so, sir. No, sir.
Can I mark? No, it is not possible. Only Zoom I can write. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Only Zoom,
Or
sir.
you can download this and make a
I
copy
downloaded, and
till
after
you
downloading,
uh,
then
make it yours. I mean, you are the
No, Muhammad.
writer.
How
If
can NCERT
if it's
book
a
That
be
is
Chrome
more?
if it's a Chrome
What?
PDF file, you can't exactly open it and then annotate it. I think that only works with Microsoft Edge.
Only Zoom I can annotate. Even in Google Meet I can't.
yes. Sir,
Correct?
have you downloaded it?
I have downloaded.
Do you
It's
have
down.
any PDF readers and editors?
That I don't know.
Do you
Okay.
have
So
Adobe?
Anyway, in the Zoom, I can do like that. I understood. Now that's okay, fine. Now we
Okay.
will come back to your question because you have exam tomorrow. They have exam on 10th of March. So that's different. Okay. Now I will get back to your question. I was asking today I downloaded, but I want to write some. WhatsApp is open in another window.
So use here, use here.
Use here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you told me another one. We were doing that one. That we can do. Look, so AECD is a parallelogram. AD is equal to EC. Reason opposite sides of listen very carefully, okay? All the points. If it is coming, it will come for 4 mark, 5 mark and all. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Of a parallelogram are equal. But already we know that AD is equal to BC. It's given. Therefore, BC is equal to EC. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Clear? Angle 1 is
yes,
equal
sir.
to angle 2 because isosceles triangle property. Okay? Now, we want to prove angle A is equal to angle B. This I will write 3 and this I will write 4. Okay? Angle 1 plus 3 is equal to, okay? Angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 180. What is the reason, Sean? Sean, fast.
Yes, sir. The
Why?
angle as a linear pair, sir.
Linear pair. Now, Navneet, what is the reason angle 2 plus 4 is 180?
Sir, adjacent angles.
Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are
Parallelogram add up to 180.
very good, very good. Right answer. You write like that, okay? Now I will write 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 4, but 1 is already equal to 2. We proved it. So therefore, what is equal, Krish? Tell me, Krish. 1 is already equal to 2. Therefore,
3 is equal to 4.
wow, very good. Boys are super boys. I always say ninth standard boys are, what is that? Sigma boys. See, because all are very vigilant. Otherwise, you have not turned on camera. Okay, I understand. But I am asking these questions not because I'm sure many of you will say the answer, but how I want to check how vigilant you are, how attentive you are. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. First part is over, isn't it? Now I want to prove triangle. Okay, this is right. Now we want to prove ABC. I'll draw a line ABC and BAD. I'll start like this. In triangle ABC and triangle BAD, I want you to prove. Utsav, you tell me one. ABC and BAD. One element,
ABC
one factor
and
you say to prove that it's congruent.
angle A is equals to angle B.
Angle A is equal to angle B. What's your reason for that?
Sir, we already proved it.
Proved it already. Now, then what? Now, next, no, I'll call. Swaroop, another one. Swaroop, another one.
Sir, AB is AB.
AB is
AB is
equal
equal to AB because it's common, sir.
to, it's common. Rishabh, another one. Rishabh, another one I want. Quick. What is already given?
So AD is equal to
Correct.
BC.
AD equals BC. Given. Now, good. Now I want Arnav. Therefore, triangle ABC, congruent triangle BAD by what? By
SAS,
what?
sir.
Huh?
SAS.
SAS. Therefore, Mohammed, what do you have to prove now, Mohammed?
Sir,
Yes.
angle A equals angle B.
No, that is not what you have to prove.
Sir, AC equal to BD, CPCT
AC
equal
is
to.
equal to BD CPCT. Okay, you can write it very fast. And I will take the other question, Dhruv's question.
Yes, sir. I sent it in the
I will tell
WhatsApp.
you. I will tell you. Akash is not here.
Sir, I'm here.
Okay, Akash. I did not hear you. That's right. If you have completed
Sir,
10, yeah.
Sir, I didn't understand like how did you prove AD is equal to AC because they didn't even tell that it's like
Dhruv, the question was show that line segment joining midpoints of opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Correct? One
Yes,
question is okay. That's a very good question. Textbook question, I
there are two
think.
questions.
Textbook.
Yes, sir.
Can
There
you
are
erase it? If you have
two questions.
completed,
Yes, sir.
someone should say you can erase. Then if anyone is still writing, he will say please wait. Otherwise, I don't keep me on waiting. Keep me in waiting. Okay. I'll continue with this.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah.
Instead of writing adjacent angles or parallelogram are equal, can you write consecutive angles?
Or you can write, no problem.
Okay, sir.
So the other one I had also put up is that a dome of a building is in the form of a
I will
hemisphere.
show. First, let me complete. Have you completed this one?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fast. Only who is that? Pranil and Deeptanshu are on camera. Rest all are hiding. Okay, can I erase it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look. Can I erase it? All done. Okay. Now here, this
Sir,
question. Can I erase it?
sir, can you like disable the chat box?
Disable the
Chat box, sir.
how is it done? I don't. Yeah, I know that. Okay. How?
Sir,
Settings somewhere there. Tell me fast.
sir, you're like supposed to like click those three dots and disable it.
Three dots.
There's
Then
host control.
disable annotation. No.
Like sir, no,
Sir, not
like
disable
disable
annotate.
chats.
Which one?
I think in the Zoom window, three dots and disable chat or something.
This
So yeah,
is
sir,
Zoom
disable
window.
chat.
I don't know.
This is not Zoom window? Okay, then I will go to Zoom window. Hello, you should not do that. No private chatting here, okay? You are good boys, then how can you say like that?
Sir, not private chatting.
Sir,
Instead, like the chat box is being flooded with random
I know.
messages.
I understand. But where? Yeah, this one. Chat box. Then what should I do?
Lock it, sir. Close it.
How? I don't know this. You tell me. You are Steve Jobs. Then who is that? Bill Gates and all.
There's an option called host controls, and I think
But
there
where is that option?
the bottom beside the participants. If I
Bottom
am
beside the participants. Okay.
so there's something called as host controls.
Host control.
Yes, sir. In Zoom.
This is the one which I'm showing now is Zoom. This one.
So that is like, it's not Zoom.
That
You're
is the
not
whiteboard, sir.
It's what you're sharing, sir. It's what you're screen sharing.
You have to go back to
Okay,
the app.
stop share.
Sir, you need to go to the Zoom app.
You have to go to Zoom meeting.
Zoom meeting is here. Zoom is here.
Yes, sir.
Then,
You need to open it.
okay, this is the one. Then, where?
But I think you have to stop sharing.
Okay,
Otherwise,
stop
it won't come.
sharing and then do that. Okay, chat. Okay,
Yes.
let them. They will not. You tell them. Okay. Then there is one. Then what should I do there?
Well, there's something called as host controls there. If in the bottom below, beside the control, there's something called host control.
I can't see that one. Host control. Then
Yes, sir.
chat,
You have to press that
chat disabled.
and in that chat disable.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Disable the chat.
Now disabled.
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
you are so good, boy.
Yes,
See,
sir.
Yes, sir.
you
Yes, sir. Chat
yourself.
disabled.
Otherwise, normally they will say, let it be there. We can chat. Now, is it gone or not?
Yes, sir. It's gone.
Not
Which one?
disabled.
Gone. Okay. Now I will. Okay. Start sharing.
Sir,
Otherwise, you know,
sir,
the
from
student.
the sir, from the previous question, what Dhruv asked was like A, AD is equal to this one AD is equal to B CD, but then they didn't tell that AD is parallel to EC. Then how did you write that? Because it didn't give that.
Construction.
Construction EC
Oh,
is parallel. Construct, draw EC. That's why
oh,
that dotted line is construction. Draw EC parallel to AD. Understood? Now, Dhruv, we have some more.
okay, sir.
Okay. Now I will take. Shall I take? If you have no doubt, I will take a question paper taken from. This is the one. This 982. One more. Yeah, this one.
Sir, sir.
What is
No,
what is?
no, sir. Dhruv's question is above. This is another question.
This is my question is above.
Okay, I will tell you. 1 minute. Which one? This one?
Above. No, above this
Not
one, sir.
this one, sir. Above, even more above. Yes, sir.
This dome of
Those,
the
Yes.
building.
yes, the dome and the line segments joining.
Okay, I
There's
will
another
take.
one above. There's another one above this,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. Look, a dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. Okay, here calculation is very important. I think it is, see, this is the dome of a building and you have to paint inside. Inside has to be whitewashed. Okay, at the cost of ₹20 per square meter. Okay, CSA is 2 pi r square. Okay, cost equals 2 pi r square into
20.
Please listen. That's equal to 4989.6. Clear?
So
2
can we round
into,
off over here?
no rounding off here, nothing. 2 into 22 by 7 into r square into 20 is equal to 4989.6. R square is equal to 4989.6 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 20. Clear? So I will cancel 2. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 4.8. 2 is cancelled. Now I will cancel. It is 20, so I will cancel 2. 1, 2, 4, 1247.4. I will write it here, okay? 1247.4 into 7 by 10 into 22. I will check whether it is divisible by 11. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 minus 9, 0, divisible by 11. 1 balance. 1, 37, 3 balance, and 4. This I will cancel again. 5. 5 2s are 10. Then 13, 6, 7. This I will cancel. I will get 5.67. I got R equals 5.67 into 7. I will see, whenever, instead of taking long division, you can take long division, no problem, multiply and find the long division square root. Otherwise, 7 is here. You find out a 7 from here. I can multiply this as 0.81 into 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56, 2 decimal places. R is equal to root of 81. I will write 0.9 into 0.9, 0.81 into one more 7, 7 into 1, 7 is also there, into 7 into 7. You understood? This I take 0.81 into 7, this 7. R is equal to 0.9 into 7, that is 6.3. I got, understood? First you find out this one. What now? First you find out that you divide. Inside surface area will be 2 pi r square is equal to, understood? This is 24989. 49, I will remove this. Okay, inside surface area, 4989.6 divided by 20, that is 498.96 by 2, that will be 249.48. That is the inside surface area, meter square. Now multiply 2 by 3 pi r cube, you will get the volume of air. Is that clear? You can write it. It's a good question. This is textbook question.
Sir, will such question with lengthy workings come in exam?
It's not lengthy. Is it lengthy? That will be asked to test your, that will put your numerical skill to test. See, without any long division, I found out. You understood now? So you can do it. You can write it now fast.
So no, but there are other lengthy questions in the surface area and volume
No problem.
chapters.
You write, now you write this one fast.
Yes, sir. I'm done.
So for the exam,
Write
sir,
it
the questions.
fast.
So for the exam, the questions will be like the sample paper, right?
This is textbook question.
No, sir. Like for the exam, sir, the type of questions we
Yeah,
get is like the
that
same as
don't,
the sample
that
paper.
was what I told you in the beginning. Don't ask whether this type of questions will come. That I don't know. Questions will be anything. You must be ready to face any question. So you will be trained in that way. Okay. So such questions should not come. Whether this type of you must be ready to face any question. There was one boy, his name is Aditya, you know, grade 11. He will tell, you give me any difficult questions, I am ready to face it. So do as many questions as possible and then get yourself exposed to so many questions.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want, I will show you a question paper from some school so that we can do that, or some KV paper, Navodaya paper, so that you can do it.
So there's some more questions in the WhatsApp group.
Okay, that no problem. I'll tell you.
I have another doubt also.
Prepared for
This question. Can you solve that doubt?
Which one is that?
Sir, before this question in group of 9A2, there was a doubt,
Yeah.
sir.
I will check. This you completed, all of it?
Yes, sir, I completed.
Sir, before should we like practice all the questions from the exam from the NCERT book or we can do
Yes,
from any
that
outsider.
is this is the one you said. Yeah, NCERT also. Yeah, actually, what they are telling, NCERT textbook must be thorough, including example questions. Then you go through different question papers. Wherever you get paper, you go through. It may not be possible for you to go through, do every question. But when you come across a new question, sit down and do it.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Sir, no, because I have, sir, because I've done like two final paper of two different schools, and all the questions were from NCERT.
That
That's why
doesn't
I'm
mean that
asking
your
you.
paper must be from all NCERT.
No, like I'm just like
Don't just
asking
that.
when.
Luckily, you got all from NCERT. Very good. Sometimes this also from NCERT. That was why I said be thorough with the NCERT book questions, including example question. Then you start doing. Now you after doing all NCERT questions, if you do that CBSE different school question paper, then it will be easy for you. But that doesn't mean that all the questions are from the CBS NCERT book. It can be outside also. Now,
Yes, sir. Like I
so
wasn't telling that all, but almost all, not all.
now this question I will tell now. Okay. This question I will tell. Look.
Sir, can you just show the last part of the previous question?
This one, no? This one. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Just a few
Yeah, I did not find the volume. That is just calculation. 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 into 22 by 7 into 6.3, 6.3, 6.3. Do it. Can I erase? Completed?
Yes, sir.
No? Yeah, you finished, huh? Okay.
Yes, sir, you can erase, sir.
Okay. Now, listen. Show that line segment joining midpoints of opposite sides of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Very good. Now, Dhruv, you tell me this answer. This is a quadrilateral. Okay. ABCD is a quadrilateral. P, Q, R, S are midpoints. P is a midpoint, Q is a midpoint, R is a midpoint, and S is a midpoint. You have to prove they bisect each other. Dhruv, how will you do? That was your doubt, Dhruv?
Yes, sir. This is my doubt.
Okay, then I will help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I am joining this one. I am also joining this one. Now tell me, Dhruv, what will you say?
Sir, in triangle ABD, S is the midpoint of AD and P is the midpoint of AB.
1 minute. S is the midpoint of AD and what?
And P is the midpoint of AB.
Therefore, what will you say?
The SP is parallel to DB and SP is half of DB.
What?
So midpoint.
Yeah, tell. Don't forget,
Midpoint
immediately you say midpoint. Theorem. 1. Now, Dhruv.
Sir, in triangle BCD,
In triangle BCD,
R is the midpoint of DC.
R is the midpoint of and
Q is the midpoint of PB.
Q is the midpoint of what? BC.
PB.
Therefore,
RQ is equal to half of DB and RQ is parallel to DB. Yeah, midpoint theorem.
Midpoint theorem 2.
Yes, sir.
Midpoint theorem 2. Now from 1 and 2, what do you get?
Sir, SPQR is a parallelogram
Yes,
because
parallel QR and PS is equal to QR. First you say that. Therefore,
okay,
PQRS is what?
parallelogram.
Now I will say, now I will say, what do you want to prove? They are bisecting. Can I say that PR bisect QS?
Yes, sir.
Why?
That's the property of a
But
parallelogram.
in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Finish. You said you don't know in the beginning. Now you said the entire answer by yourself. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I write? Can we write?
Yeah, you can write. Dhruv, you
Sir,
understood? In a
Yes, sir.
parallelogram, see,
I'll write.
you said when I ask you the question, after writing the question, Dhruv, you say, I can understand. Since you are on camera, I can understand your facial expressions. Your gestures, I understood. It's because you said it is clear that you did not know the answer. But I just drew the figure and when my pen started moving, you said the answer by yourself, all by yourself, even the results. So you understood. So don't think that I don't know the answer, but instead you think I know the answer. I have to find out. So think. You understood?
Okay, sir.
Or in case if you can't recollect, you start thinking that my pen started moving. Okay? You visualize the movement of my pen. Then you will get the answers quickly.
So the thing is, I had a problem with visualizing the figure because the figure wasn't given in the
Okay,
question.
no
That's why
problem.
I
Yeah,
was
understood.
confused.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yeah. First you write this, then ask.
Yes, sir, I wrote with you. Like I solved it like with you. Sir, like in exam, yeah. So if we're drawing a figure, should we write construction?
It is better, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Now write all of you fast this one.
Done, sir.
Sir, can you just explain how it's midpoint theorem here?
In the question, they said that it's midpoint.
In the question they said what?
No, sir, like how does midpoint theorem apply here?
Midpoint theorem, line joining midpoints of any two sides of a triangle will be parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. P is the midpoint of AB, S is the midpoint of AD. Therefore, PS parallel to BD, PS is equal to half BD.
Acha, okay, sir.
Yeah. Same way here, Q is the midpoint, R is the midpoint. So QR parallel BD, QR equal to half BD. Understood?
Sir,
Sir, in exam,
Sir.
so in exam, can we write side by side or should we write just in one line, like just straight instead of side by side?
But your presentation must be legible. Where you are side by side, one below the other is the best way. Don't write side by side. And don't, if you are cancelling, strike it off and don't write by the side of it. You write below. Understood?
Okay.
So that it
Yes, sir.
is easy for the examiner to decipher your answers. Okay? Then he will be very happy. He will reciprocate. He will make you also happy. Not here.
Okay,
I'm
sir.
talking about the final board exams and all. So if the examiner is happy because he has got hundreds of papers to evaluate. So if he can do it very quickly, he will be happy. So he will make you happy.
Okay,
You
sir.
understand?
Sir, in this question, it says quadrilateral, but it doesn't say what kind of quadrilateral. So how do we know it's like?
Any quadrilateral, it stands good.
Okay.
What all we said, everything. And if it is a specific quadrilateral, then the inside quadrilateral will become different. For example, if it is a rhombus, PQRS will be a rectangle like that. Okay? Any quadrilateral, diagonals, line segment joining midpoints will become a parallelogram.
Okay, sir.
And in fact, last year, no, 1 year board paper, that question was there as MCQ. Lines, parallel quadrilateral joining the midpoints of consecutive sides of a quadrilateral will be what? It is definitely a parallelogram. Then it can be a rectangle, it can be a square, depending on what is the nature of the quadrilateral. The midpoints you joined, okay? Now, any other question?
So could you check 982 WhatsApp group?
982 what? Tell me.
WhatsApp group chat.
Yeah. Which one is it?
So just a second, let me write the question.
982, which one you tell me? Whose question?
Tawqir's question, sir. Tawqir.
Huh? Tawqir. That circle question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll check.
So just a second, sir. I'm just trying to type.
982.
So scroll down.
This one, Tawqir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, you who Trenil, you did not try, you have not completed this one.
Sir, I was just drawing the diagram. Let me locate the points and then you can carry on.
Finished, huh? I can erase it. Okay, now listen.
Sir, just a second, sir. Just a
Okay,
second.
fast.
Yes, sir, done. Done. Done, sir.
Yeah. This is the question. Tawqir asked. You can, AB is a diameter. Okay. AB is the diameter. So the way, this is a totally new question. Okay. Now, so what you have to do, when you get a question, it is better always to draw figure. Because now I'm not drawing because already I have drawn. In effect, I have drawn the figure. Because from your question paper, you draw figure in your answer paper. That is one way, but don't spend much time on that. It should be a legible figure, but not very neat and all. And then now you read the question, some mental translation, mathematical translation. You are translating it into your language. That's happening here. That is your thought process. Now, AB is the diameter. Immediately, so many things should strike your mind. Diameter, if I say, Ditanshu, if I say diameter, AB is the diameter, then what is the first theorem that strike your mind?
First theorem, angles of a semicircle, they are 90
Very good.
degrees.
Very good. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle because I am also I'm doing the way you do. That's the way. Okay. Angle A, which is angle in a semicircle? Who is that? Tawqir, you tell me, which is the angle in the semicircle?
So angle ACB?
Angle ACB is 90. I will write. We can organize it later. What all you get? ACB 90, angle in a semicircle. When you write this, if this carry 4 mark, if this question carries 4 mark, you may get half a mark. Since you have drawn the figure, they may give you 1 mark because one value point is already ready. CD is equal to radius.
Yes, sir.
That is the other one. CD is
So
a
I
radius.
wrote the question wrong.
Huh?
I wrote the question wrong. It's CD is the
One
chord.
minute, one minute, no problem. You forget about that. CD can never be a radius, but it can never be CD. Radius is the line joining center to any point on the circle. But CD can never, because C is one point of the circle, D is one point of the circle. But what it imply, if CO is equal to 6 centimeter. This is equal to 6 centimeter. This also 6 centimeter. Okay. So we actually CD is equal to the radius of the circle. That means we can say CD equals OC equals OD. It's given. Then what can you say? Triangle COD. We want to prove that angle AEB is 90. This is what we have to prove. Which one? This is the one we have to prove, 60. I'm not writing it there, but we want to prove angle E equals 60. That's our target. So what triangle is triangle COD? What?
Equilateral.
It's
It
equilateral,
is
sir.
an
Collateral, sir.
equilateral triangle. Okay. It is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Understood? So now I will come back and I will say, look, Rishik, can you tell me,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me angle COD is how much?
Sir,
Because
angle.
no,
Sir, sir,
angle COD is how much? Because COD is an equilateral.
Sir, is angle COD equals to angle CDO?
No. I just want how much is the measure of angle COD? Because COD is an equilateral triangle. So angle COD, it's an equilateral triangle. This COD is equilateral triangle. So what is the angle equal to? In an equilateral triangle, each angle will be how much?
Oh, 60, sir. Sorry.
60, that only. Okay. In an equilateral triangle, each angle equals 60. Each angle equal to 60. COD 60. Now I want Daksh COD, which is the degree measure theorem I want to use. Angle COD is equal to which angle? Not equal, twice angle. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is equal to twice the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Which is that?
Sir,
You go to C, COD. Go to C, go to any point on the circle and come back to D. Come on. Which is that? Come on.
CBD.
CBD. Twice angle
Twice
C.
of angle CBD.
That is degree measure theorem.
Yes, sir.
Degree measure
Measure theorem.
theorem. 60 is equal to twice angle CBD. So, Navneet, angle CBD is how much?
30.
30. Very good. 30. I got this angle 30.
Sir,
This angle is how much? ACB, already you got. ACB 90. Then I want Taukir. How much is angle BCE? Taukir.
90.
90. Angle BC is equal to, this is already perpendicular. So 90 degree proved. Okay, proved already. Now you take in triangle BCE, Mohammed, BCE, this
sir.
is 90, this is 30, and angle E. 90 plus 30 plus angle E is how much? Mohammed?
180, sir.
180. Angle sum property. Now angle E is how much? Therefore,
60.
angle E equals 180 minus 120. That
60.
is 60. Very good. That is what you have to prove, isn't it? Okay, it's a good question.
sir,
Yeah. Yes.
so there's like one more way also to like an angle CBD is equal to 30, right?
Okay.
Because if you no, sir, because if you say 90 plus 60 is equal to 150, that means 180 minus 150, because the opposite sides of the cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180, right? You can do that also, right?
Yeah. Any correct method is given full credit because here they have put mark. Okay. Any correct method will be given full credit. Okay. If it
Sir,
is correct, full mark will be given. Now
can
you
you
say,
explain
come on
how
fast.
did
How
can you
did
explain angle CBD is 30 because I didn't understand.
this one is, see, look here. You take this triangle. Look here. Degree measure theorem means this is degree measure theorem. That is, see, suppose you take, look, this is the center, angle COD, COD, and there is another angle COD, okay, this is B. COD is 60, so CBD will be 30 half. Have you understood?
Sir, how is angle BCE 90?
Angle BCA 90, angle in a semicircle. AB is the diameter. If this is the diameter, this angle is 180. So any angle in the other part will be 90 because angle in a semicircle. 180
Sir,
by
but
2.
that's
Sir, but it's
sir, that's
BCE,
ACB.
right?
Yeah,
It's
BCE,
ACB.
that's ACB.
ACB 90. ACB 90.
Then how can BCE be 90?
BC, because if this is 90, definitely, suppose this angle is 90, then this also must be 90. You
But they
understood?
haven't given that CD bisects AE.
No
Sorry,
bisection.
AE is perpendicular to
If
CD is perpendicular to AE.
if this line is perpendicular, then it is perpendicular to that line. It is perpendicular to the line. This is
Oh,
90.
okay.
Okay, this will be
Sorry.
perpendicular here also. Otherwise, 90 plus this angle 180. This is also equal to 90. It should be 180.
Sir, is CO perpendicular to AB?
CO is not perpendicular to AB. It is not given.
Sir, but it bisects, right?
Bisect means need not be 90. Bisection, see, only perpendicular bisector will be perpendicular. This, see, for example, this is AB. AB is 6. This is O3. I can bisect like this also. This is BO is equal to this one, but it is not 90.
Okay, sir.
Only perpendicular bisector will be perpendicular and bisect.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah. This you write fast.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you check 982 maths group? I sent a question.
9A? 2. Okay. Last.
982.
Yeah, I understood. Just let it complete. I'll show you that.
Okay, sir.
So when does the class end?
You can stop after some time, no problem.
So,
Yeah, 1 minute.
so can you like send one more sample paper or like question paper?
Sir?
Okay. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
in the exam, if a question comes like in the surface area and volumes, like can we write the area with respect to in terms of pi? area of volume
No,
in terms of
that
pi?
they will tell you in the instruction will be use pi equal to 22/7.
No,
Wherever
so like,
So
no,
he's
sir,
asking,
like,
sir, can we like write the answer only with pi and not
no,
like
no.
multiplies pi?
No, you cannot express 100 pi. Okay, you have to multiply pi by 22/7 because in the question paper that instruction will be the use pi equal to 22/7 unless otherwise instructed.
Sir,
Okay?
but like if it's like division, it's fine, right? If you only use pi.
Pi, wherever pi is there, you have to use 22/7.
Okay.
no,
So
sir,
this
like,
is
what
your
do,
doubt. One minute.
what I'm,
Somebody. What?
sir, what I'm trying to ask is like, can we write the area as like if it comes like x pi in terms of pi, like x pi.
If the answer is express the answer in terms of pi, you can leave it as pi. Otherwise, you cannot, if it is x, you cannot write as x. You have to use 22/7 x. Because
Yes,
that is
sir.
the instruction given. Okay. Use pi equals 22/7 wherever, unless otherwise instructed. This is
But
the
sir,
question.
okay, sir. But like in
Minus
division
2 pi 3.
problems, in
That will be
division,
very clear. No need to confuse yourself. Pi, wherever pi is coming, you have to use 22/7. Otherwise, sometimes they will say use pi equals 3.14. There you have to use 3.14. This is 2 raised to 1/2. Look, this is the question he asked. And this is
The square root
25
of
raised to minus pi/4 divided by, you can try yourself and come out with the answer, 32 raised to minus 2/5 into 125 raised to minus 5/6. Okay. 125 raised to minus 25 minus 5/6 equal to root 2. That's what you have to do. Come on, try. Equal to root 2.
So we gotta prove that this is equal to root 2.
Yeah. Try. And if you're getting the answer, tell me.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, tell me how.
So done, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Who
So,
said first? You tell me.
So first, sir, you take 2 raised to 3, whole raised to minus 2 upon 3. Then you leave 2 raised to 1 upon 2 as it is. And then, sir, you take 5 raised to 2, whole raised to minus 5 upon 4. And then you can like divide that by 32. Like, sir, you can make it 2 raised to 5, whole raised to minus 2 upon 5. And then you can make it 5 raised to 3, whole raised to minus 5 upon 6. And sir, in the first, you can like cut 3 and 3. Then you can cut 2 and 4 and make it 2. And then you can cut 5 and 5. So below in the
Which
denominator,
5?
you can cut. So you can cut 5 and 5 in the denominator. And you can like cut 3 and 6 and make it minus 5 upon 2. And then, so you can like cut the common factors. So you can like cut
1 minute. First
5
you write 2 raised to minus 2.
Yeah.
2 raised to 1/2. Then what is coming here? 5 raised
5
to?
raised to minus 5 upon 2.
5 raised to minus 5 upon 2.
Yeah.
Divided by?
2 raised to minus 2 into 5 raised to minus 5 upon 2. So you can like cut the common factors. And you're left with 2 raised to 1 upon 2, which is just equal to root 2.
Root 2. Correct.
Yeah.
Very good. Who asked this doubt?
Sir, Hari
me,
did.
Hari.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, this you right now. What's your doubt?
Sir, so in statistics, sir, in a histogram, when the classes are not continuous, we subtract and add
Yeah.
0.5.
Yeah.
And if the widths are not even,
Not
then
0.5. What is the, see, for example, if it is, say, 1 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, then difference is 1. 1 by 2 is
half of
0.5.
half of the
Subtract
difference.
0.5 to 9.5, 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5. Correct, like that.
And sir, if the class width is uneven, then we do adjust it
Class width is
uneven.
class width is uneven, then both will not come together normally because
But
class
not
width
together,
is
sir. If
uneven.
it's
We adjust the length, and the last two questions are like that. You remember 1,
yes,
2, 2, 3, then 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 7, 10, 10, 15. So we made the classes, the width that is frequency by width into minimum width. That is length. Length is frequency by width into minimum width. So like that, we adjusted the length, and then we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That width we will write here. First is 1, 2, 3. So we will write first one as 2, second one as 3, third one is 3 to, this is 1, 2, 3, 3 to 5 as 1. So the width is changing, but we are adjusting the length.
sir, I understood that, sir. But what if we have to draw a frequency polygon?
Frequency, that's what I'm telling. Questions like that, they are only histogram. Frequency polygon, if it is coming, then you take it will not come for that. Take the mid value and join.
For frequency polygons, we have to draw histogram.
Sir, how do you make
That will not
the
come. There uneven width is coming only for this one.
Okay.
Last two questions, okay?
sir? How to adjust the width?
It is free that you have done in your notebook. It is written. That was what we did. So that is frequency by width into minimum width. That is the length adjusting.
Sir, if the
Sir,
difference
how do you find
between
class mark?
Class mark is upper limit plus lower limit by 2. If it is 0 to 10, 0 plus 10 by 2, 5. 10 to 20, 10 plus 20 by 2, that is 30 by 2, 50.
So class mark you only find for frequency
Sir, then
polygon,
how
right?
will you make it continuous? The frequencies.
As I showed you now here, no? See, this is 1 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. They are not continuous. What is the difference? 1. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Subtract 0.5. 0.5, 9.5. 9.5, subtract 10 minus 0.5, 9.5. 19.5. 19.5, 29.5.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what if the difference is 3? So will we divide by 2? 3 by 2?
Anything, 1.5 subtract. They all divide by 2, subtract that and add that.
So class mark we only find for
Is like
frequency
that.
polygon, right?
Whatever is the difference between two sucks, that upper limit and lower limit, if the difference is 1, 1 by 2, 0.5. Difference is 2, 2 by 2, 1. Subtract 1, add 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
So along with the graph, are we supposed to draw the table also for the
That no problem. You can draw table. Yeah, not below that. In the graph paper, along with the graph, you can write, or graphs separately, you attach it inside the paper. Don't attach it at the end. Okay? Inside the paper, you attach it because sometimes it will get detached. So to avoid that, it is better to do like that. Okay?
you mean the table?
Yeah, table you can draw on the answer paper itself. Or if you have space in the graph paper, no problem. Backside of the graph paper, no problem. You mark the table on backside, okay?
Okay, sir.
So,
that is enough.
So when the class interval is not equal, we just put 0.5, 0.5, right?
Yeah, that is if the difference is wrong.
And then so for class mark is just what you put in the middle of the intervals, right?
Class mark is like that. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
See, for example, here the class mark is 0.5 plus 9.5, 10. By 2 is 5, like that.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you tell us what all things are important to learn from each
Everything.
chapter?
That was what I told you, no? Don't do like that. You see, you textbook all questions, including solved questions, example questions. Then you go through all the worksheets, everything. If you want, I'll send you more worksheets.
Sir, you said you'll tell the weightage of the chapters, sir.
Weightage of the chapter, actually, sample paper weightage. You understood? Sample paper weightage, same weightage.
Basically, like weightage and sample paper
Hey,
for each
you
chapter
can
is
check
equal to the
how many
weightage.
questions are from statistics, same weightage will be there. Sample paper is almost the same. Okay? Sample
Okay,
paper
sir.
is same
Thank you,
weightage.
sir.
So sample paper, most probably it may be like this. First question, if sample paper is from statistics, in the board paper also, no, sorry, board paper, that final paper also will be statistics, like that. Okay, you understood?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So
Sir,
shall
does
we
this apply
start
for
now?
all the sections?
Huh?
Does this apply for all the sections? Section A, section B? Sir, you told that if the first question in section A
Yeah,
starts
section is no, if first question is statistics, most probably the sample paper also first question will be statistics.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But anyway, if it is not, the weightage will be same. If there are 10 statistic question or 5 mark statistics, if there are 5 questions, you will get 5 for the other one also.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So shall we stop now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the best. Good luck. Do well. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
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 Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, sir, sir. Sir,
Wish you,
sir.
wish
Bye.
you don't mock us like
Sir.
the previous paper.
Okay.
Sir, I posted a different question before that trapezium question. Like I got the answer, but like I want to know if there's a shorter way.
Let me check and I will send it on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You send that again.
Sir.
Sir, can you send it in the group so I'll also take a look?
I will no, whatever, I will not answer individually. I will
Yes, sir.
answer everything in group only. If somebody
sir.
from 9A2 is asking, I'll forward the same answer with a question to 9A1 and 9A3.
Yes, sir.
Everybody
Okay,
must
sir.
get, okay?
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you will think that 9A1 is your favorite
Sir.
class or 9A2
No,
is your
no,
favorite
sir.
class. Okay?
Sir, so like I'll also like go through it.
Everybody can go through. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Because
sir.
you people are very
Sir.
studious. That's why I'm also all the more excited.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
So good luck.
Thank you,
Write
sir.
quickly, make the examiner
Thank you,
happy.
sir.
He will make
Sir.
you happy.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, you want to draw on the website, right?
you want to? Yeah.
Yeah,
Shall
you can install extension, Chrome extension.
no, but that is sorted out because I'll be calling them on Zoom. Zoom, I can annotate.
Okay, sir.
What did you say? What was that? What?
You can
Extension?
install Chrome extension. There will be more apps like you can draw the web
Okay.
page.
From extension and then I can annotate.
Yeah.
Okay, I will try. In case if I have doubt, I'll ask you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, then thank you. Thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much.
So like we have to
Thank you,
draw
sir.
the paper neatly, right? We have to write
You
it.
have to, yes. And if you're drawing the figure, but don't spend much time and don't ever try to highlight and all as you used to do in the notebook.
Yes, sir.
Your notebook must, I insist you to make your notebook as neat as possible because you're
Yes,
getting
sir.
5 marks and everybody got 5 because all have written neatly. But for the other one, board exam, if you try to highlight it,
Yes, sir. They'll cut marks.
you will be losing time. In the examination hall, every minute is counted. You
Yes,
understand?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye. When I end the meeting.
Sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Please be our maths teacher next year, sir. Please be our maths teacher
What?
next year, sir.
What?
Please be
Please.
our
Sir,
maths.
sir, he's asking you to be our math teacher next year.
But I didn't hear you, Prenil.
He's asking you to be our math teacher next year.
Next year, there is no doubt about it. Why are you asking? You heard something?
Sir, because there are 3 maths teachers in the other secondary, like in the 10th, 11th, and 12th. That's it.
Okay, so you want me to be a math teacher?
Yes,
or
sir.
you want another person to be a math teacher?
No, I want you to be.
Okay. That definitely. I will not let you leave. Okay, I will definitely. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.